Welcome back, guys. This is Vishu from Savage Camp, and today we are going to learn about while loop. So, while loop will keep running while a condition is being met, which means that it executes the lines of code inside the block while a condition is still being true. And the termination of condition is very necessary to avoid infinity loops, which means that if suppose I take an age from a user and while age is 19, I print out you cannot vote. So what happens if we try to do this in our program over here? So I have age is equal to integer of age, and I am going to paste the line of code over here, and it says while age is less than 19, print you cannot vote. So let's run this, and I'll put my name and age as maybe 18. Let's do 18 and see. So now it is not giving me anything to write or to stop this program, and that is because it ran into an infinity loop. This is what we call an infinity loop, where there is no break condition. So this is going to take all of your memory running this program. Like, you cannot do anything else. So suppose I have print thank you for answering the question. That line of code will never run because it is not coming out of this block. And why is it not coming out of this block? Because when we put age as 18 over here, it is always going to be 18. It is not changing, and that is the problem. And that is why termination of condition is necessary, which means that after you do this, I will stop it over here, and this exit code of -1 is bad. You should always have an exit code of 0. But here what I will do is change this int of age over here, so I don't have to take the integer again, and I will take this line of code and put it out over here again. So what happens now? I am giving the user another chance to break this loop, which means that if I do Vishu and I put age as 17, so now it says you cannot vote, and now it is asking for an input again because it is still inside this loop, because the age is still 17 over here. So we are still in here, we have not come out of this loop. So let's do 18. It will do this again because we are still in here, and every time this block of code runs, it is asking for the input. So I can do 15, it still says you cannot vote. Let's do 21 now. So when I put 21, this condition is going to break because int of age, which is 21, is not less than 19. So it will come out of this block of code. And that is how you break a while loop. You have to have some kind of condition in the while block that is going to change the value of what you're comparing, so there is a chance to come out of that loop. If not, you will just run into an infinity loop, which is really bad for your script. So whenever you use while loop, always remember to have a termination condition so you are out of the loop. So that is it for this video, guys. In the next video, we will do list.